What's up, guys? Today we're out here, we're riding on the YXZ Yamaha, and today we're going to do a comparison of the stock exhaust that this has and the brand new GYTR exhaust. And yeah, we're going to see which one's better, which one sounds better and stuff. And
So basically,
here I'm with my dad here today.
what we're gonna do, we're not gonna do an unboxing video. We're not gonna do an installation video. All we're here for, you might see that happening because everything's a box new. But all we're gonna do is we're gonna install it on the bike, on the side by side, and we're gonna do some drag racing comparison. We do have what we call I don't know where I put it, but right. I don't know what happened to it. I lost it already. I have a GPS system that is called SkyRC that we're using for our drag racing units. So we're gonna find out how fast this is, the way it is on a 300-foot drag strip right here. We're gonna use the grass over here. Then we're gonna put the exhaust on it, and we're gonna do the same, see if we made it any faster or any slower, and we're gonna hear the difference in the sound. Basically, what really people care about. We don't care about unboxing. We don't care about installation. You guys should figure that out on your own.
Yeah,
we're gonna do the best thing.
There we go.
Getting ready to do the first pass on the stock exhaust. We're gonna do 2 passes. We're gonna be using this system. It's called SkyRC. It's actually a little black box that you put inside the unit, and it will tell you how fast it is. So it's gonna do 300 feet. It's gonna record the passes on 300 feet. Okay, ready? Alex, you ready? Okay, the first pass on 2-wheel drive, it did on 300 feet, it did 6.950 at 47. So on the first pass. Now we're gonna do another pass on 4x4. Okay, that's 4. Okay, wait, Alex. Second pass. Second pass on 4x4 was 6.75 at 47. This is the 4x4 pass. Now we're gonna put the exhaust on, and we're gonna see the difference. Hey guys, I'm gonna take that off. this is the first video with the GYTR exhaust. We're gonna do first video on two-wheel drive. Okay, first pass on two-wheel drive, GYTR. It is 6.9 at 49, so I think it's getting faster mile an hour. I don't know if it's any faster on time, but let's do a 4x4 now. 4x4, Alex. You got a 4x4?
Alright, so after our tests have concluded, speed's about the same. It's about the same speed-wise without tuning, but you can clearly hear the sound difference. I think the new pipe sounds drastically different. It sounds like a race car to me. So, yeah, I mean, I think overall it came out pretty good. It didn't take us too long to set it up, so yeah.